In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away to hit System. Then select Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and the Gboard. Following that, select Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switches next to the chosen ones. If you want to access text correction settings much faster in the future, swipe up and use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion strip to activate it. Then go back, launch your keyboard and hit gear icon at the top of it to access text correction right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!